Hello and welcome to Levitate. I'm Nell, and today we're going to explore using a mantra to find calm. A mantra is a mind vehicle, a tool for the mind, which serves to calm the default mode network of your brain. And the default mode network is the part of your brain that wanders, rather unconsciously. It is everything that is relegated to autopilot. And it's what the brain does when left to its own devices. A mantra has an incredible ability to quieten that default mode network down, to interrupt its usual pattern of wandering and replace it with something rhythmic and simple, which seems to serve to join the two hemispheres, to synchronize them in a way, through the use of a repetitive sound. Now, mantra can be a really powerful part of a mindfulness practice, and in some cases it is an easier way in than using the breath. So together, let's have an explore. Let's begin by finding a really comfortable position, sitting up or lying down, and closing our eyes as we begin with a few deep and slow breaths. Initially breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just really letting go of any of that tension that's built up as we allow our mind and body to relax. The mantra we'll use today is the word one. It seems particularly appropriate as we'll be encouraging the two hemispheres of our brain to act as one. Perhaps you could say it out loud with me now. One. And then whisper it. One. And then silently repeat it in your mind. And to make this a little easier to do, let's just tie the sound to every inhale and every exhale, silently repeating one as you inhale, and then repeating one as you exhale. And you don't need to say the words as much as gently allow them to arise. which should take about as much effort as mist rising from the surface of a lake in the morning. Your mind will wander to thoughts and sounds and sensations, and perhaps a judgment or two. So the idea is that each time you simply, gently acknowledge where your mind has wandered to, and then gently drift it back to the mantra, 1, 1, 1. You're doing amazingly. However unfamiliar this feels, every time the mind wanders, all we need to do is to gently return to the mantra, 1. And let's just start to let go of the mantra as we return to our breath. As it fades away, let's take a deep, slow breath in and just let that go with a sigh as we gently start to wake our bodies up and open our eyes and take a stretch. We can use a mantra in this way to slow the swirl and to reconnect with what's important. Thank you for your practice, and I'll see you back here for another class soon.